Cevi food habit. Before we start to our food-tastic topic, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
People usually look towards a bowl of soup to warm your bodies when temperatures go down, usually during winter.
Here in the Philippines, soup dishes become more popular as the weather turns from hot, bright and sunny to cold and sopping wet. For those who want to keep warm, here are 5 Filipino soup dishes designed to keep you warm once the sky starts weeping. Sinigang, which roughly translates to meat and vegetables in sour broth, is one of the country's most recognizable soups. A balance of sour and savory makes this dish very refreshing. Nilaga has long been a staple of Filipino soup dishes for ages. It's not that hard to make, thus making it easy to enjoy. BULALO has always been a point of contention for some Filipinos since it's basically the same as nilagang baka or boiled beef. Chicken sopas or chicken soup is a dish that's seen as a Sunday brunch staple, along with the first 3 soups mentioned so far. Quite possibly the easiest to get on this list, beef paris is braised beef paired with fried rice. Its secret lies in how the soup is prepared.